Journey 1. Journey to the Waterfall of Golden Light. I am a way shower, so come with me, and I will show you the way on this amazing journey. Please make yourself comfortable. Close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. We are now ready to go. Imagine yourself standing on a pathway where to one side of you is a beautiful flowing river that ripples along on many stones, pebbles and rocks. On the other side of the path is a small woodland of trees where the glorious sun sparkles and shines through the leaves of the trees. The only sounds you hear are the many birds singing and chirping and the soft gurgle of the flowing water. I am standing right beside you, ready to show you the way, to show you a very magical place. The pathway is dry and a little stony, but easy to walk upon. So we make our way along, enjoying the beautiful sounds and feeling the sun warming us. The pathway then starts to get a little steeper, and at times we find ourselves having to move over big rocks as the path gets quite narrow. We climb higher and higher along the path, sometimes stopping to catch our breath. And still we continue to climb higher. The path then starts to even out, and we find ourselves walking along a winding ridge where a handrail guides us along it. As we look down upon the ridge, we can see where we have climbed and see below the river we have followed. We carry on walking until at last it comes to an opening where there is an archway adorned with beautiful coloured roses that smell glorious as we walk through it. There in front of us is an amazing garden with overhanging trees, many bushes and plants, and all kinds of wonderful flowers of many colours. To one side of the garden are benches to sit, so we make our way to them and sit down to rest. As we sit, lots of butterflies of beautiful colours fly all around us, some landing on us, almost as in a greeting to this very magical place. Just to the other side of the garden is a gate by the side of some trees. I tell you, I will stay here on the bench and wait. Then you are to walk up to the gate, and there you'll be met by 2 amazing beings of light called Ishi and Nala. They will then guide you the rest of the way. As soon as you reach the gate, you indeed are met by Ishi and Nala, who open up the gate, step towards you, and each one hugs you in a beautiful embrace, just like that of an old friend. Their embrace emanates such love and light. You instantly feel so comfortable and so at ease with them. Walking through the gate, they guide you down a number of steep steps that then eventually leads down to a pool of shallow water. At the side of the pool are lots of huge rocks with many trees and bushes all around them. Ishi and Nala indicate to follow them through the water that then leads up to the huge rocks. The rocks are of a beautiful green colour that glisten in the sunlight, shining all shades of different green. It's like being in the heart of an emerald crystal cove. The emerald rocks emanate such amazing energy. It's like the rocks have come alive and you can feel it within you. Then from the very top of the huge crystal rocks, a stunning waterfall cascades down, transforming the emerald crystal cove with beautiful golden light. As the water continues to flow down into the pool, Ishi and Nala guide you to stand right underneath the cascading waterfall. But as you stand beneath it, it's not water you feel, but something very different. The top of your head, your crown chakra, opens right up and you feel something very beautiful flow right into you. It's an elixir of golden light that flows into every part of you. Healing you. Cleansing you. and loving you. You stand there just enjoying all this incredible golden light flowing right into you. All of a sudden, it feels different. It's like the golden light seems to wash over you, all outside of your body. As it flows all over your body, it takes from you all of your hurt, your pain, your sadness, and all negativity that you've held on to. Just washing it all away. Then, as more golden light cascades down, you start to feel amazing, lighter. And as though something big has shifted within you. And that your whole body seems to have lit up with this incredible light. Again, you stand there for a while, just enjoying this amazing feeling. After a while, Ishi and Nala indicate for you to follow them. Away from the waterfall and then out of the pool of water. They then guide you back up to the steep steps and eventually back to the gate at the top. As you reach the gate, you move towards Ishi and Nala and thank them. They in return radiate their love and light to you as they give you their blessings. But before you turn to go, they place into your hands a small gift to remember your amazing journey. As you look into your hands, you see they have placed in them a stunning emerald crystal that's in the shape of a beautiful heart. This emerald heart represents the love of the earth. All that she is, and the love of yourself upon this incredible earth. Taking your precious gift, you wave goodbye to Ishi and Nala and walk back to the bench where I am sitting, waiting for you to return. You sit beside me and show me your beautiful gift. I smile as I admire it, knowing too that something very special has happened. You feel so different and so much lighter. Then I say, it's now time to take you back. So take 3 deep breaths. Now open your eyes. You are now back. Thank you. Blessings and peace.